Alright, I'll admit it. I broke it. Hey everyone, what's happening today? I am just making this quick little video just because it's funny. So, I broke my system. Like, it's completely effed up. Literally effed up. You know what? Let's just take a look at my system and show you how I've completely effed everything up. So here I am on my desktop. As you can see, it kind of looks normal, kind of. But we're going to take a look at a few things. Number one, I completely broke my Python apps. You see, when I go into internet and try and start Deluge, it's not going to start up. And just take a look. When I go into my terminal, sorry, Hannah is jumping up on my lap while I'm trying to do something. Deluge. It goes into an error mode right here, and it's referencing the fact the problem is Python 3. Now, I've tried to rip Python out and put it back in, and it doesn't work at all. And this is all Python apps that are APT related. Flatpaks and snaps are not related, are not affected, sorry, are not affected. So, I think that has to do with the fact that those are containerized programs. And so we're going to go ahead and show you another little issue I'm having with this. And we're going to go ahead and hit Application Finder. If I type something in here, can't find anything. I don't know if this is a Python app or something, but it's just not working. I haven't been able to get that to work. And just take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and drop into another terminal. We're just going to go ahead and zoom in, and we're just going to run a NeoFetch. Now this is Pop! OS, okay? It's not even recognizing that it's Pop! OS anymore. I tried going into the OS releases file and setting it up so it'll recognize Pop! OS. That didn't work. It just goes back, it just deletes the file and goes back to this, which is weird, but I think it's kind of funny that it only recognizes it as, the operating system as Linux unknown distribution. That's kind of funny. So, yeah, that's only a few of the problems I'm having. I could go through them line by line, but you got the gist of it. So what did I do? I was messing around with some system level config files. Yeah, I didn't make backup copies, and Timeshift does not fix this. I've already checked that out. It wiped out my Timeshift backups as well for some reason. I don't know why. I didn't have copies of the original config files, so but this really had nothing to do with the operating system or changing desktop environments. This had something to do with I was messing around with things and I did something stupid. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to wipe it out, and I'm going to reinstall Linux, because I need my Python apps. I mean, a lot of stuff I have is Python related, so Deluge is my favorite BitTorrent client, so I need that. But I'm just going to wipe out the system, but I'm not going to put Pop! OS back on it and change it back to XFCE. I've just pulled down a Ubuntu image, and I'm going to go ahead and flash that to the hard drive instead, and then restore my config files so it looks like what I have here. That way I don't have to do all that work again, because, yeah, I don't want to do that again. I'm lazy. The bottom line is, yes, us Linux veterans, we sometimes break our systems too. We do something stupid, we break it. It's part of Linux sometimes, especially if you're messing around with system config files that you probably shouldn't be messing around with anyway. But so yeah, have a great 4th. I hope you're having a great 4th, and I will see you next time. If you like my content and wish to support my work, you can do so on Patreon. The link is in the description. Also, if you wish to see more, check out the videos on your screen.